Hey guys, Rob Heffernan here. We have all changed our daily routine. We are all taking the necessary steps to break the spread of this virus. So that means we are spending a lot of time at home, which in turn means you haven't had the time to go to the gym, go to your favourite cooking class, your art class, or whatever it may be. What are you doing to stay busy at home? Are you doing cartwheels, jumping jacks? Are you cooking? Are you painting? It could be anything. We want you to share your videos online with the hashtag Nissan Active Challenge. For all of the videos that we'll upload at Nissan, we will donate €5 to feed the heroes, to support all of our frontline workers who are putting their lives at risk every day battling this virus. And what's more, the best video entry will win a weekend away once it's safe enough to go back outside and when the world returns to normal. So come on everybody, get the hashtag going, upload your videos, Nissan Active Challenge, and let's raise vital funds for our frontline workers.